mga nababawa kabalin. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly Kyoto Ramen. Yan, and we were invited to come and check out their newest menu.
I heard there are Makis and mga rice meals sa mga bago nilang menu.
Of course, nandito pa rin si Lucky Bunny and Sweet Safari. We're gonna check them out. If you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so yun nga guys, thank you so much again for being with us in this video. Thank you so much Kyoto Ramen Angeles City for inviting us. Grabe, the first time na pagpasok ko dito, I was impressed. Ang laki pala ng lugar nila.
Actually, this is the biggest branch nila. So this is located dito sa may Santo Rosario, Angeles City. So ang pinaka-landmark lang naman is yung tapat siya ng Toll House.
Yes, so if you go here guys, so meron siyang first level which is of course, dun yung order natin. And then this is the second level where we are in right now. And if you notice, napaka-Japanese vibes niya.
Actually, nakaupo tayo sa floor ngayon.
Yes.
Para tayo talagang nasa Japan.
So, sa ating Kapampangan, tawag natin dito, dulang. Ayan. And siyempre, isa sa mga naging paborito din natin na ramen, which is Kyoto Ramen. Forever tagline nila dyan is buy one, take one, kahit kailan. So, the home of one of the creamiest ramen in town, available din sa kanila yung mga sushi and mga rice meals.
So on our table, syempre papakilala natin yung mga Makis nila. So meron tayo dito Emperor, which is yung kanilang tonkatsu roll. So meron din tayo, syempre meron tayong Empress. Ito naman yung kanilang shrimp tempura roll. Sensei, which is yung crab stick roll.
Sensei's teacher.
Yes. Meron din tayong Samurai, yun yung kanilang spicy tuna roll. Then yung pinaka-last natin is yung kanilang Ninja. Yes, luncheon meat roll. Siyempre yung mga rice meals nila. So meron tayo dito famous bibimbap and yung kanilang Bldg rice meal.
Yun, available po yung kanilang mga ramen. Ito naman yung kanilang tantanmen. Very nutty yung ano nito, yung pinaka-base soup natin. Aside from that, of course, you also crave for ebi, kani, gyoza. I wanna go with... tigisa tayo sa mga rice meals natin. When they serve this one, of course, this is really sizzling. Ayun nga, so you have your egg, vegetables, some leaves to really add flavor dun sa natin, pinaka-meat natin, and this one is their bulgogi. Wow! Ang lakas makakanin. Ang sarap ng lakas makakanin guys. Parang order ka pa ng isa pang hanin dito.
Siguro what is good thing here is kumpleto na siya.
Yeah.
Kulang na lang siguro drinks para full meal ka na.
Well, actually sa mga drinks nila, sa mga beverages natin, so available dito si Sweet Safari and then Lucky Bunny. So, napakasimple lang ng ano nila, ng gusto nilang i-serve sa mga customer. Few Maki, and then we have some ramen din, and due to popular demand. And now what they're trying to do is extend yung menu nila. Okay, so this one is their Emperor. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so this Maki right here is fit for a king. So let's dip it here. So yung mga dip natin dito is ano naman, universal. This is big. This is
I'm enjoying yung kanilang rice meal. So napakasarap. Simple lang, pero nandun yung satisfaction mo na kinakain yung rice meal nila. Ako naman, syempre yung titikman ko yung kanilang Samurai, yung medyo spicy ng konti.
But I think titikman ko rin yan because I really want spicy na. Yeah, let's dip it here. Okay, yeah, so this is tuna base meat natin. Again, yung signature ni Kyoto Ramen, for me, it's a little bit creamy pa rin yung ano, yung sauce natin dito. Yeah, I think so. Okay, I wanna try this one. This is their Ninja. Ayan, special luncheon meat. It has cheese in it. And then, meron siyang black sesame seed. Cheers, brother. Wow. For me, a little bit of parang teriyaki barbecue yung ano niya, yung sauce niya.
Parang medyo sweet side siya ng mga Maki.
Ako, ito sa mga basehan ko sa mga Japanese restaurant, yung kanilang gyoza.
Yes. Ako naman syempre, yung kanilang kani. Yes. Kani is another term for crab meat.
This is my impression. I think Kyoto Ramen, what they're trying to deliver sa mga customer natin is yung abot na abot yung lasa sa mga Pilipino.
Yes. So hindi mga parang feeling natin mahal, pero dito sa Kyoto Ramen, napaka-budget friendly nila. At the same time, yung quality of ng food nila is matitikman mo na rin.
Ano naman yun? I really want to emphasize yung taste. Yung taste dito is hindi mabibigla yung Pinoy in terms of the taste, flavor, somewhat. Also the taste man. I think so.
So, tingnan ko na lang. Empress.
So, based from the appearance, napaka-girly. Dahil yun nga, this is fit for queen sa Japan. This is the Empress.
Yung kanilang Empress, napaka-evident ng kanilang
mango. Yes.
So, unang tingin mo pa lang, parang nag-explode yung mango flavor.
Yeah, so sabi ko nga, for my personality, I really like spicy. Something, natetest talaga yung yung dila ko for the spiciness. Now, in terms of the price, guys, ito mga Maki natin as low as 148 pesos. And then I think for the Emperor, which is the Supreme, this is yung pinaka-premium Maki natin, just 198 pesos. And basing on the serving, this is very shareable up until 2 person.
Masusulit mo na, kung lalo na kung yung Maki Explorer, serving of around, siguro mga 10 pieces.
So this one probably is the final meal that we're gonna taste dito po sa vlog na to. But then again, thanks so much for being with us. This is their tantan men, very nutty. So more flavors, more on their menu. Ibig sabihin guys, more options for us to choose from. And if you want to know more about this, make sure to check out the fan page we're gonna be providing. And congratulations for a growing family. I think they already have 7 branches.
7 branches all over Pampanga.
And watch out for mga taga Mabalaka. They are looking for a place for you as well as sa Malolos, Bulacan. Ayan. So congratulations Kyoto Ramen family. Sa atin naman, may we always enjoy these kinds of food. Very affordable, very close to our town.
So this is another option for your ramen day and Maki day na hinahanap nyo. So this is Kyoto Ramen Angeles. It is located dito sa may Santo Rosario, Angeles City. Ang pinaka-landmark niya is malapit siya sa Holy Angel University and in front of Toll House. They are open from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yes. So, again guys, thank you so much for being with us. We're gonna enjoy this for the rest of the video. From here, this sa Angeles City, Kyoto Ramen branch. Thank you so much. Ayan, may Sit Safari pa kami, tsaka Lucky Bunny. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You gotta try this one and see for yourself.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Yes.
Peace out.
Cheers!